Hello everyone, and welcome to the Cross-Platform Development with Flutter course. In this video, I want to give you a brief overview about the course content and give you an idea of what to expect. So first of all, what is Flutter? So Flutter is a framework developed by Google for building beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, desktop, and embedded devices from a single codebase. So what will we build in this course? So we have 5 different applications and we're going to build each of them from scratch. And each one of them is designed to teach you a different concept about the framework. So for the first project, we're going to build a personal portfolio, and here we're going to learn about how to create a new Flutter project, running your application, hot reload and hot restart. We're going to look at Dart data types and stateless widgets. We're also going to look at user interactions with buttons, adding assets and third-party dependencies, web deployment using Surge, and running the app in release mode. And then we're going to build on top of our learnings for the next project, and we're going to build a Pokedex application. And here we're going to learn about navigation, working with list views, transferring data between different screens, object-oriented programming in Dart, and generating launcher icons and native splash screens. In the next project, we're going to build a cryptocurrency tracker, and here we're going to look at stateful widgets, managing state, how to make API calls using the DU package, working with JSON, and working with factory constructors. In the fourth project, we're going to build a note-taking application, and here we're going to look at persistent data storage. So how do we persist data across different app loads? So here we're going to look at how to work with a NoSQL database called Hive. We're going to look at shared preferences. We're going to look at working with future builders and grid views, as well as forms and input validation. In the last project, we're going to look at how to build a real-time chat application using Firebase. So we're going to look at how to integrate Firebase into a Flutter project. We're going to look at user authentication with email and password, email verification, as well as looking at how to work with real-time data using stream builders. Now, the easiest way to get to the course is using this URL right here, which is mohammedwritescode.com. And then if you go to the bottom, you'll see a link to the course as well as the GitHub repository. So if we go to the GitHub repo, so here you can see the source code for each project, and then in the README you can see a description about the course, as well as a description for each section. If you click at one of the project links, you'll see a link to the web demo, video tutorials, as well as slides and assets. And at the bottom here, there are some code snippets which will be helpful during the build. Now if you go back and then go to course, here we'll find the playlist with all the videos. And then if you click on one of these videos and then go down to description, you'll find a link to the GitHub repo, the demo, slides and assets, as well as the links to each part of that particular build. Now in the next video, we're going to look at the environment setup for this course, and then after that, we're going to start building our projects.